Hey, if you wonder how to charge your Sennheiser Accentum Wireless, we've got actually three methods. The first one, you can just use the USB-C cable and plug the USB-C input into the USB-C right here. And this second end, for example, you can plug into your PC, to your game console, or even, for example, to your TV. And thanks to this, you will actually charge your device. There's also a second method where you are going to also connect this cable, but plug it into the charger. So here I have the charging brick from my old Huawei phone, and also this is the same cable from my old Huawei phone, and it works without any issue with my Sennheiser headphones. So you don't have to use any original adapters, I mean some expensive adapters from Sennheiser or any other brand. You can actually get this one from your phone. And the second method, how you can actually charge your headphones, is to use your smartphone. So let me quickly show you. When you connect this cable into the USB-C port, and this second end of the cable you are going to plug into your USB-C port in your smartphone, like this, you can find information about the charging. This indicator just lights up. So this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.